My name is Anna Hood. This is my presentation on my sustainability initiative that I developed for the biodegradable plant packaging for Farm and Garden Nursery. Farm and Garden Nursery's mission is to partner with residents to protect the health of our community and the natural environment. For the background of this project, the main goal is to reduce plastic pollution. The initiative is to improve the ecological sustainability of products and services offered by Farm and Garden Nursery. I'm proposing a shift in packaging materials used in producing and selling plant starts from the nursery. The shift in packaging material will make Farm and Garden an example of dedication to the environment, as described in the company's vision statement. Farm and Garden disposes of over 2,000 pounds of trash per week, which amounts to over $640 a month in fees. Shifting to biodegradable pot materials will not only reduce the amount of trash disposed each week, along with the fees involved in that, but will also improve profit margin due to the added value of biodegradable pot materials and increased market demands. Additionally, costs for manufacturing plant packaging from petroleum-based materials is expected to increase, while costs of manufacturing packaging for biodegradable materials is expected to decrease. Also, there's no ecologically sustainable way to dispose of plastic packaging. Plastic plant start packaging is suitable for recycling only after significant processing. Some of the steps to process plastic packaging materials include sorting, sanitizing, and shipping to the recycling facilities. Each of those steps introduces an additional cost, both environmental and financial. Farm and Garden is also well known for its environmental mentality. Farm and Garden could market and advertise the use of biodegradable materials to increase customer base. Profit margins will be higher for plant starts and biodegradable materials because of the added value and increased market demand. Biodegradable pots can also reduce dependence on petroleum products sourced from outside the U.S. Farm and Garden Nursery orders and receives over 15,000 plant starts in a season. The season is from February through August. Plant starts are ordered in terms of size of pot. Plant starts vary in sizes from 4 by 1 ounce seedling plugs to 10-gallon trees and shrubs. Of those 15,000 plants, Farm and Garden Nursery loses 5% of inventory per season to plant death or unsuitable plant condition caused by overwatering, underwatering, pests, climate fluctuations, and other damages. Climate fluctuations such as sunburn, extreme heat or cold, and frost contribute to unsellable plant conditions. I nominate the nursery owners, management staff, and marketing department to alter the standard protocol of producing plant starts using unsustainable pot materials, specifically plastics, that cannot be recycled and are destined for the landfill. In being part of the sales team responsible for maintaining and selling the potted plants, I have developed new operation methods to provide adequate maintenance, merchandising of our plant starts in biodegradable packaging materials. Improvements to the triple bottom line include reduced loss of plant start inventory and biodegradable packaging that can be disposed of as compost rather than trash. Plants that are sold in conventional petroleum-based packaging materials receive a markup of 2.5%. Plant starts in biodegradable packaging can receive a price markup of up to 3.5%, with the added value of a biodegradable package. The resource plan for this sustainability initiative will include documentation of technical and labor developments from the start of the season, February, to the end of the season, August. Each department buyer, perennials, annuals, trees and shrubs, and houseplants, will be responsible for phasing in the ordering of plants in biodegradable pots and achieving an inventory of 50% biodegradable pots by the end of the first season and an inventory of 100% biodegradable pots by the end of the second season. The department manager, usually also the buyer, will then be responsible for notifying the floor manager or employee responsible for receiving shipments of the incoming plants in biodegradable pots for extra care and handling upon receipt. The resource will organize the responsibilities of each employee in regards to the maintenance and handling of plant starts in biodegradable packaging. Each employee will be made aware of the various methods required for proper maintenance and handling of the plant starch in biodegradable packaging, along with how it differs from plant starch in conventional petroleum-based packaging. Unique tools that are required for proper maintenance and handling of each plant starch in biodegradable pots will be identified, and employees will be trained to effectively use them. In conclusion, the goals listed in the previous term will be used as 2022 milestones and 2023 milestones in achieving the 100% biodegradable packaged inventory. Farm and Garden Nursery is known for its commitment to the community and for sharing the love of plants. Our community experiences both pleasure and healthy living through the efforts of Farm and Garden Nursery staff. The community of the island and surrounding areas will appreciate the stalwart stance Farm and Garden takes on reducing pollution and the part that the company plays in the issue. Farm and Garden Nursery's reputation as an environmentally conscious partnership with nature, for the sake of our homes, garden, and farms, signifies this innovation as the logical next step to the nursery's evolution and growth. Thank you so much for listening to my presentation.